Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In BookingKoala, providers can give feedback and rate the cleaning for customers. If you want to control this feature or make sure only customers can sign off on job completion, you can change the settings. Here's a guide on how to do it. Go to Settings, click on General, hover over Store Options, choose the Provider tab, go to the Booking section, scroll down until you find the question, would you like to activate the feedback feature? By disabling this option, you can ensure that only the customer has the ability to provide feedback and rate the service. Select No to disable the feedback and rating feature. Also, check the settings for job completion signatures to make sure they're set up for customer signatures only. By adjusting these settings, you can make the feedback and signature processes smoother, ensuring clarity and consistency for both providers and customers. That's all for today's BookingKoala tutorial. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more BookingKoala tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.